Hi, my name is Rabin. I'm the developer of Korduene, and I'm going to be showing you how Korduene works. Korduene is a visual programming IDE that allows you to create applications with ease. Korduene comes with an easy-to-use interface. Even if you have never used it before, I'm pretty sure you're going to be having a hard time figuring out how it works. When you start Korduene, you will see 5 docked windows: the form list, the properties, the toolbox, and the errors. And here in the middle, this is where you're going to be designing your application interface and using the graph to implement its functionality. Now let's create a project and see how it works. Go to File, New Project, and name the project whatever you like, and click OK. No, we don't want to save this one, and there you go. As soon as you create a new project, a new window or form will be created to get you started, and it's really easy to design your application interface. And everything is done visually. All you need to do is drag and drop the controls you want from the toolbox to your window. Then you can resize, change color, or add pictures, or however you want your application to look like, or change any of the properties in the properties window. And you can add as many windows as you wish simply by clicking New Form button here. Now we know how to design the user interface, but how do we tell the application what to do? You tell the application to do things based on events, which are things happen within your application. For example, when your application starts or when a user clicks on a button, these are events. All you need to do is link an action to these events. So basically what it means is that when a user clicks on a button, it should do something that you specify. Now let me show you how that works. We're going to tell the application to show a message box when this button gets clicked. All you need to do is right click on the button and go to Events and go to Click Event. Now we're going to add the event here. There you go, a node is added. The node on its own does nothing, so what you need to do is attach another node to it, which in this case is a message box node. Now let's create a message box node. Go to Application, Dialogues, Message Box. Now you can see both nodes have little circles on their edges. These are called ports, which allows the nodes to communicate with each other. As you can see, the message box here got several ports, so which one are we going to be connecting to which? In Korduene, all the ports have been color-coded, which shows you which port can be connected to which. And you can also tell by their types, which is written in caps. So in this case, we're going to be connecting this to this. So you click on this, hold and drag, and drop it on the other. And now they're both connected. Now you have created your first function for your application. All you need to do is click Run to run your application. However, the message box is empty. Let's write something in it. So we click on it and we go to Properties, and for the title, for example, say some app says welcome to my app, and click Run. There you go, as easy as that. And if you click it, there's a message. Now that was easy. Let's try something else. This time we want to be downloading the file when the button gets clicked. So let's go to Net and Download File. There's a download file node created, and we're going to delete this. Now we're going to attach the download file node to this. There you go. Now all you need to do is provide the URL. For example, we're going to be just there you go, and the file path where you want to be saved, and there. Now to make it a bit more interesting, we're going to have a progress bar to show the download progress. Let's just create one and create a reference of the progress bar, and we're going to attach it to the download file node. There you go. Now let's try it and see. Let's run it. Click. As you can see, it's downloading the file. And that's it. You have created your first application, and your application is ready to use. And you can find your application in your projects folder and the output directory, and there's your application. And one last thing, Korduene does everything visually, so no need for programming. However, if you want to write code or program, you have the option to do that. This feature is not finished yet, but will be finished in the first release of Korduene. So anyways, this is an early version and it's missing a lot of features. With your help, hopefully they will be all implemented in the finished product. In the meantime, you can download a free copy of Korduene on the Korduene website, and I have put up some video tutorials on YouTube to get you started. Thanks for your time and thanks for supporting Korduene.